Hello everyone, welcome again to Andrea Chef Lady's Kitchen. Today I'll be making for you guys a very simple breakfast. And for that we need 1 slice of bread, 1 egg, 2 teaspoons butter, black pepper, salt, Pam, and a glass. The reason I'm using this glass, I need a cookie cutter, but I don't have one, so I'm improvising. So let's get started. First of all, we're gonna cut a circle in the bread. We're gonna take the center out. So here we go. So you press down on it. You press down real hard until, and see, that's a hole. Then what we'll do, we'll butter our bread. So we're gonna butter our bread, and Jamaica had our bread in Palm Bay, so I got me it. So now our bread is all buttered. So now we're gonna crack our egg, and we're gonna make, so right there, we crack our egg and the yolk is whole. Next, our skillet is heating up real nicely. So I'm gonna spray it just a little bit with this Pam. That much. So now we're gonna toast our bread. Now we're toasting our bread, guys, and medium to low heat. And we're trying to get it golden brown. So we're doing this. There, we're getting it nice and golden brown, guys. So we'll take this centerpiece out. And my kids, they were so excited that all day I was cooking egg in a hole, egg in a hole. Now I flipped it on the other side, guys. So now it's time to add the egg. So we're gonna make sure to get the egg in the center. And you wanna cut your heat right here. And I like to cover my egg, so it's just it floats right and it cooks better. So I'll do that. So we'll cover it so it's like easy to prepare, and it's very tasty. So guys, you can see that the first side is toasted. So I flipped it over and I'm toasting the other side. Then I'm gonna add my egg. So now is perfect time to flip the egg, guys. So you'll be careful not to burst the yolk. So there, it's flipped. You wanna cover a little again and let it cook. Now guys, here is my finished egg in a hole, and as you all see how delicious it looks. So this is what you call an egg in a hole, guys. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Your comments are also accepted. Love you all, and I'll see you again soon.